Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. I have an unboxing for you today. It is a true unboxing. Sometimes I'll open my boxes ahead of time, and other times I won't. This brand I've never bought from before, so I wanted to make sure that I saved it so that it would be a true unboxing. I just thought I'd tell you a funny story though before I went on with my unboxing.
Did you go for a car ride today?
Oh, stop it. Why? Because my hair's up. So we had a hard day today. Okay, that's not my funny story. For Father's Day, my husband wanted mulch and some gravel for we have a kind of a rock garden and a mulch. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but a really cool little thing on the side of our driveway. And then he wanted sand for the sandbox where the chickens are in. So we've been doing a lot of stuff outside. So my hair's up and it's hot here. It was almost 90. So
hydrangeas too.
Yes, that's right. We got 2 hydrangeas and put them in the front yard, and they're lavender, and oh my gosh, they're beautiful. I've planted 3 in my backyard. They all are like bushes, but they don't flower. So them and lilacs, I tend to just keep buying them and placing them in my yard. Lilacs do all right. Hydrangeas not so much. So we're trying the front yard this time for the hydrangeas. But my funny story is, it dawned on me the other day, and I appreciate I've gotten a lot of nice comments about my new setup for where I film, and people seeing my bags and things like that. And it just dawned on me. I was watching Candy Sweet Love for LV, and she was showing her Pochette Matisse video about where she was showing her different ones. And then she's like pulling stuff out of one, and she goes, oh, here's just the dust bag. Light bulb went up out of my head. So when I put all these beautiful bags out, what I did with the dust bags is I put a little note inside each dust bag so that I knew what bag it was for. And I folded all the bags nicely, and they're in my closet. Stop. Little did... Not even thinking that all I had to do was put the dust bag in the bag. Oh, so another nice weekend I'm going to spend taking all the dust bags back out of the closet, reading the little notes inside, and putting them inside their individual bags. So thank you, Candy, for a great idea. But I wish I would have stopped. But I wish I would have had ahead of time. Okay, now to the unboxing. All right, so I'm going to open this up here. And again, it's just so that we can kind of see together how it's going to look. I don't want to turn it over because my address is on the side facing me. So I'm going to very awkwardly cut with my left hand here. Or attempt to. Not so great. So let me just kind of poke this here. I don't want to do anything to damage the bag. It is a bag unboxing. So I'm going to take this here. Got my scissors down safely over there. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. Oh, glad I opened it first here. My name and everything is all over here too. So it comes like this. Well, you know my name, but and you can kind of see through the bag, or to the bag. This is from Kurt Geiger. This was 100% influenced by Nick, Living Life Loud with NJS, or Nick J. Snell. He showed a collaboration between Kurt Geiger and another person whose name I can't remember, but I'll tell you in just a minute. And I loved it. And then I saw this tote, and I'm so totally a tote girl now, apparently, that I had to have it. It was a little bit bigger than I normally like, but it's so neat. So this comes packaged really nice. I mean, in a bag. And I mean, I could have had a little more cushion, but it seems good. This up here. Now it's wrapped very nicely. Okay, so let's see. It said on here who the collaboration was with. It's an interior designer.
Is her last name Counter?
No.
So it would be Geiger Counter?
No, it's not Kurt Geiger. It is Kurt Geiger and Mathew Williamson.
I was
That's
close.
It. You weren't even close. Okay, so here's the dust bag. Here's the Kurt Geiger dust bag. I've never had one of these, so I'm all excited. Let's see. What's it say? Design is what we do. Kindness is what we are. That's really nice. So, there's the dust bag. And here is the bag. So, it's got this little clochette here with the little bird on it. With the little jewels in its head and in its eyes. And then it's got this label here that does say Kurt Geiger. It's shiny. The material is a canvas, uncoated. Then inside, it's got a nice strap for the tote. Oh my gosh, words are hard. Shoulder strap. But inside then, try to show you here. The bottom is the same material or color print is the outside of the bag. The inside has a big slip pocket right in here. But on the slip pocket, very big, it says Kurt Geiger and Mathew Williamson on it. And then it's got a nice zip here. This can stick in or go out. It's got the why are these words so hard? Shiny colors here. I don't know if that's leather or not. And then I thought this was cool too. The bottom
That's cool.
says Kurt. I just found them. I just thought it was such a cute little summer bag. So I got this and I looked up the Mathew Williamson and I really liked his designs. And I thought they were really, really intriguing. There was one other bag that I really liked. It was mainly blue, but it just looked a little bit too big for me for what I normally, I shouldn't say too big for me, but looked bigger than what I normally would carry. And then I saw this and I thought, again, another, not like I need more, but another perfect summer bag. And I'll be 100% honest. The first time that I did get a Kurt Geiger bag. It was kind of multicolored, and actually, I might still have it. But to be honest, it had a funny smell, and I bought it brand new. And then I bought another bag of his, and it had the same smell. So that one I returned. And so I was a little bit afraid to buy this one. But the other two that I bought were like kind of leather. I don't know if they're faux leather or leather. But this one, because it was so mainly canvas, I thought I can't deny this bag. I've got to get this bag. I've got to at least see it. And I'm happy to say there is no odd smell. It just smells, I guess, like canvas. But yeah, this is awesome. So this is really big though. Like, I love the Kurt there. So like, just to compare it, here it is next to my mini zipped Bayswater mulberry bag. So you can see it's definitely wider that way. I would say it's probably, yep, close to this way. But yeah, definitely like shorter that way and definitely not as tall. To give you another idea, because I love my totes, like here's a Celine Nano luggage tote. It's another really good size I like. Way bigger than that. Another bag a lot of people have is the like Marc Jacobs tote. So if you compare those, again, this is the mini traveler. It's not the regular sized one. So yeah, it is bigger than that. It's probably around the same size as more like one of the minis. I'm sorry, the medium totes from Portland Leather Goods. So if you look at that, I would say that's pretty similar. Oops, I suppose I should have it facing forward. So yeah, this is really awesome. This is really, really, really pretty. I didn't know for sure what the canvas would be like, and it's really nice. I love that the interior is white, and it is coated on the interior, so you definitely could wipe up, like if you spilled anything or took it to the beach and, got some stuff in it. But yeah, this is my first time trying out an actual tote, the Kurt Geiger items I got before were wallet on chains. So yeah, this is nice. It's got this, again, pinky colored strap. And who doesn't mind the bit of flash? I don't mind. And gold hardware. And I'm with Nick. Nick had said when he was showing this, he showed all the pieces of the collaboration with Mathew, and he had said he would have liked silver hardware. I agree. I'm always gonna, not always, but with most colors, I tend to like silver better, but the gold's pretty too. And yeah, so that's my latest handbag, my first one from Kurt, especially first tote, and I am super pleased. I can do a review on this after I've carried it for a while and let you know how it goes. It'll be a little bit weird, again, me carrying something this size. I haven't carried my medium Portland leather good totes yet either in this size, so I'm used to, again, the Mulberry was a little bit bigger than the Nano tote, and then I have tried the crossbody minis from Portland, and man, are they roomy. So the mediums are really going to be roomy for what I carry, but it's cute. This is nice even if it's not filled, and I like that it's very stiff. It's not, it's not mushy, and so it's not like you set it down and it's a beautiful mess. But yeah, I thought this was just cool. His name on the bottom is nice. You got kind of the best of all worlds here. You have his name here if you want it, but if you want quiet luxury, there's the back. And if you really want to have people know what you got, just kind of or hold it up on your shoulder this way. How shoulder carry it. So yeah, that's what I have. So I thought this was pretty cool, and I wanted to show everybody. And I'll link Candy's video down below and Nick's video down below where he does go over these bags. And this one's just beautiful. I think that's what I have for you today. So, if you haven't already subscribed, please, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. And if we get to 1,000, my videographer is going to be on film with me. And
that's the rumor.
No, that's the truth. And that would be great. And I'd really appreciate it, though. Just enjoy doing this, growing my channel. Please comment down below. I love when you leave comments. I love interacting in the comments. Just helps me get to know everybody a little bit better, and it's kind of neat, kind of getting to know people now as they comment. You can find me on Instagram. I'm at James Jam over there. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.